Hi, this is Josh with Resort TV1, and today I'm taking you on a ride on Splash Mountain here at Disneyland. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and follow us on all the social media. We're Resort TV1 on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Welcome everybody. Let's go enjoy this ride. It's now closed in the Magic Kingdom at Disney World, but it's still open here at Disneyland, at least for a few more weeks. And definitely leave a comment and let me know the differences between the two rides if you know.
Safety, just stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the log, and be sure to watch your kids. Have a zippity-doo-dah ride.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del barco y cuide a los prevenidos.
Inside the log, and be sure to watch your kids. Have a zippity-doo-dah ride.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del barco y cuide a los prevenidos.
You're making a fool out of yourself. That's what you're doing. Now get out from there. Look at the finance.
So, you're looking for a laughing place, eh? We'll show you a laughing place.
Well, that's just where you're going.
right, well, that's all for now for this full ride through of Splash Mountain here at Disneyland. I hope you enjoyed it. It'll be my last ride, and definitely enjoyed all the differences between this one and the Disney World version that is now closed. So this one's closed for the night, but it's still got a couple more weeks left. But really cool to see the doors closed there, though. And just such an amazing and iconic ride. So before I end the video, we'll walk all the way around to the front so we can get a great last view of it. See the sailing ship Columbia there. Such a beautiful sight. And a haunted mansion, which here at Disneyland is in New Orleans Square, so that's a whole different area than Liberty Square where it is at the Magic Kingdom. Oh, there we go. All right, everybody. Well, before we go, be sure to check out all of our awesome sponsors, Mickey Blog and MickeyTravels.com, for the best in free Disney vacation planning advice. Also, be sure to check out RealtyInOrlando.com if you would like to rent, or actually, also be sure to check out RealtyInOrlando.com if you'd like to find your dream home in Central Florida. That's RealtyInOrlando.com. And finally, check out David's DVC Rentals at dvcrequest.com/TV if you'd like to rent your very own DVC room, even if you're not a member. All right, everybody. Well, that's all for now. Enjoy. Last little look here at Splash Mountain. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye. Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.